Well, today's gonna be an interesting day, huh?
Yeah.
So we're driving this car up with no hatch. Driving up like an hour up to our buddy's house to get an exhaust valve done on.
Yeah, because today's like the only day we have all the same days off together.
Yeah.
And it just works out great. And it's not raining too.
But it's still pretty cold. So let's see. It's 39 right now. So, well, at least the car's heater works. That's pretty good. So, yep.
Yeah. So.
Driving us up an hour with no hatch.
Okay, we're getting rid of this ugly exhaust.
It's funny because he convinced me to try quiet it down.
And it just didn't work.
It didn't quiet it down, and it sounds worse.
Yeah.
So it's just the car is just gonna be loud, and that's how it is.
So this is gonna be the first time driving this car around.
Oh yeah, it's true.
New wheels, new brakes, new paint. Call it maiden voyage.
Ready to break some necks. Sweet. So yeah, interesting day. This shouldn't be too bad. We would check out that plate.
Do it in a Datsun. So we just took the car on a block to make sure it's all good to go. And ooh, wow. I think it's doing all right. Good?
Yes.
Okay.
You get all this crap that's rolling around now.
Alright. All packed up and ready to head out. Let's see, about 40 minutes away. House in one piece, didn't break down or anything, so that's a good sign. Yeah, the car is definitely pretty shiny out on the road. I wonder how many necks it broke. Look, there's Andre. Made it to his house before him.
Because I got a Nissan.
What did he do? I think he went to like Canada or something to get some pedals for his Mercedes.
Oh, we'll show his Mercedes.
He's doing a manual swap or something. I don't know. Alright, let's go see him.
You have to pull it?
Yeah.
Oh, was that a junkyard?
It was actually.
Oh.
It was a personal junkyard. The guy was a mechanic. So yeah, a bunch of cars.
So here's Andre's new pile of junk project.
Oh, that's nice.
I like how high it is now because transmission is so much lighter.
Really?
It's pretty crazy. Yes.
Oh yeah.
It's at least inch higher than it was.
BMW wheels on a Mercedes. So this guy's doing a 4-speed swap on this thing, and this is a turbo diesel.
Runs off of transmission fluid.
For like a month, he was running this thing on straight ATF.
Oh yeah. I like it all over. Super rare clutch pedal.
Oh, so it's like built together, huh?
Yeah.
Well, that makes sense.
It's short too. It's like,
Oh well.
Hey, when did you go? Like an 8?
So he got this as a parts car for how much was it? Like $400 bucks.
That's pretty cool.
oh, he has a deck.
just for the manual transmission.
Yeah. And I'll sell parts.
I like these wheels though.
Put my GZ into this.
Yeah, I know, but too much.
Yeah, so
I'll use the
Should,
crank
Why? Rubber?
That's all you need to run it, man. Very easy to run.
that's a really big grill, looks like.
That thing's pretty cool. Not bad.
What about this thing?
Hoopty. You seeing that they're selling for like 50K?
This one?
Yeah. They're going up again.
Warriors are really...
Oh, 240
Oh.
actually. Yeah.
Yeah, 240, yeah.
Smells like a junkyard in here. Hey, it stinks in here.
What? Is it bad?
Yeah, it's all right. It smells a little stinky.
Oh, it's been like that ever since I bought it. Oh yeah, I put it down. Oh, I guess he's seen it, right?
Oh, you put the dash cover on?
Yeah. All I need is just the carpet, and that's it.
Noise.
Yeah. Oh, and my heater core.
Oh, he's very proud of that. You know what?
$10, dude.
Mine doesn't even do that, so yeah.
$10.
Pretty good.
Sounds weird.
Should probably go a little bit to the right. Try to make a support thing.
I wonder
Bolted
who.
and removable, huh?
I wonder who did that.
Hey, your exhaust moves like crazy.
Yeah, it does.
Oh, does it?
Yes,
It was like-
on the plate all over it.
Oh yeah, because I don't even have hangers on it. Oh, there's the exhaust. What is this? Drush.
Already special.
$30 muffler.
All right, so you want to tell them about the new muffler?
What?
What is this? What you got here?
The very high quality Chinese Varex muffler.
Okay. So I guess
It
the
has
cool.
a valve, so you put whatever thing to here, so you can open the valve
Ooh.
and give you rice or very rice.
In other words, you can make it quiet or loud, and it's a remote control.
Only if you're very fine.
Remote controlled from something inside here. So, yeah.
You're chopping this? Yeah. Adios.
There's not much length, so I think I'm gonna cut over here.
Oh yeah, we put a resonator on too.
What? Yeah,
Okay.
mint. Yeah, I want that precise straight cut. Precision machining.
There's a nice table Andre made.
Oh shit.
Was it perfect?
Nope.
Sticks out a little too far, huh?
Oh, I can cut off the muffler a little bit. So, angle is kind of ass.
How do you put the other thing?
That was like sideways, so it was down a little. If you want it to be straight,
Okay. All ready to tack up?
I guess that big exhaust too.
There you go. He's wearing a helmet now.
Oh, they gave him shit about that.
Yes, make sure you wear the welding helmet.
I remember in the
I'm
comments.
gonna burn my
Like in the
eye.
last video,
No,
we welding.
You can just close your eyes, right?
Yes.
Okay.
It's not what the comment says.
Here. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, it looks fine.
Okay. Take it off. I heard that like 5 years ago.
So we've had like
The
what?
first exhaust was mint, Alan.
Oh, I'm sorry.
And then there's adios.
Yeah.
Oh shit! It was leaking. Look, it's all black there.
Oh man.
No, the flange. What?
Oh.
Yeah, it's like black on the side. Oh, the suit. That's why it's all like that. Yes.
So this is like what, the 6th exhaust or something?
It was good the first time.
Well, we broke it. We dragged on the ground.
Yeah, that's why we don't care about the welds and everything. Just slap it together and till the next time is back. Otherwise, it would need to be cut better and then welded up. But probably it's time for a whole new piping as well. So just been abused.
I mean, it looks better already. Big tip.
Big rice.
That's supposed to be.
Alright. Exhaust all done. And the valve's closed? Yep. Whoa, that's quiet. So that's how it is with the valve closed. Actually, that sounds a lot better than the last one. Yeah.
I'll open it.
Yeah. Here.
It's quiet.
It's hella quiet.
That was really good too. Except the idle.
Normal car now. Hold on. Now I open it.
Okay, hang on.
Fire it up. No,
Now
I'm playing with
valve is open.
You can like adjust it, right? You can like
this. Yeah, it looks like. Let's see. Let's start it up. See.
like you hold the button or something.
So this is full open?
This is full open.
Yeah, full open.
Oh, I'm black in the face.
Here, I want to step on the gas. Here, leave it open.
Yeah, so this muffler is adjustable with the valve, so now it's full open.
Ready?
Go ahead. Okay.
Close it.
You're probably running.
Open it like a little bit. Okay.
So 20 like different exhaust tones in one. But this is really quiet at full close. So we're controlling with this little remote here.
So what, you like hold a button or something?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can hear it change. Almost choked me out though.
Nice.
Sweet.
Pretty cool.
Okay.
So we're just gonna leave it at full blast, right?
No.
For now.
All right, made it back home. Took like an hour. I like how it sounds.
Yeah,
It sounds like it did with.
it sounds like it did with the old exhaust, which, you know, sounds good. But another benefit is you can make it quieter if you want to too. So
Yeah, so it's a Variant exhaust. So I can adjust. It's through a.
it's a little remote thing.
Yeah, it's a little butterfly thing that opens and closes the opening on the muffler, so I can make it quiet if I wanted to. I didn't wire it in yet, but I already tested it, as you saw.
You guys already saw what it looked like.
So here it is one more time. This is full open right now.
Want to give it a couple of revs?
It's kind of loud. And it's full open, it's kind of loud.
Yeah, it's basically straight pipe.
Yeah, but there's a valve in there that it opens and closes. If you wanted to, you just hit a button.
And not only that, this exhaust just looks way better than the old one.
Yeah, this looks.
This looks like an actual sport exhaust, not some.
I'm sorry, Andre. I'm just not a fan of the O'Reilly stuff.
Yeah.
I tried it.
Didn't
It looks
work.
bad. It sounds bad.
Yeah.
The mistake was trying to make it quiet.
Yeah.
Well,
I mean,
this actually does make it quiet if you close the valve.
yeah. It's just that exhaust is garbage. So, yeah.
Sounds good. Mission accomplished.